Hey, what's up everybody? I've just discovered that you can actually share your ChatGPT conversations with friends now. So think about this for a second. You're having a conversation with ChatGPT about a specific topic, and you know someone else who might be interested in that conversation. You can now generate a link and share that link to the conversation with your friend, and they'll be able to click that link and open up the conversation, read from the beginning to the end, and they'll have the option to continue that chat. And according to OpenAI, shared links are now a feature that allows users to generate a unique URL for a ChatGPT conversation, which can then be shared with friends, colleagues, and collaborators. And this is great news for people who have been sharing their chat conversations by taking screenshots or screencasts. So this will be an easier way for you to share your conversations with your colleagues. So now let's open up ChatGPT and let's have a conversation, or let me just pick one of my past conversations. So let's go back inside my latest conversation. I was asking ChatGPT about tailwind commands. And so this was the conversation I last had with ChatGPT. And you will notice right here on the chat name, we have the normal edit and delete icons. And then we have this third generate link icon. So let's click that. It will bring up this pop-up. And this is basically a summary of the entire chat. So if you scroll, you will be able to read through. And then down here, you can give it a name, summarizing the request. So let me just summarize it. Tailwind commands conversation. And you can choose to share your name if you want. And then finally, you can now copy the link. And the link is now copied. So when you share that link with the other person, if they paste the link in the address bar, let me just paste that same link and hit enter. This is what they'll see. The name we just gave the conversation, Tailwind commands conversation. And then this is the entire conversation from the beginning to the very end. And you can choose to continue this conversation. This is now the other person you share the link with. They can choose to continue this conversation. And if they choose to continue the conversation, they can also generate their own links and share the links with you so you can see how they continued the conversation. I think this is a good way to collaborate with other people, and it's a brand new way of interacting with one another that we're not used to seeing with social media. So that's why I'm asking the question, is ChatGPT now turning into the next sort of social media where people can now interact with one another by sharing their chats? Maybe if you're into dogs and you were having a conversation about a certain breed of dogs or how to take care of your pet dogs, you can share that conversation with someone who is also interested. They can continue it. I mean, that's a whole new way of interacting with one another with AI in the middle. Anyway, this is something I discovered this morning, and I just felt I need to share this with my people out there because maybe you're interested in learning about this. So my name is Ken the Polymath. Until next time, peace. Yeah.